One of the problems that you're going to face in designing is removing background from a photo of yours. So how do you do that? You might want to remove the background and use that picture in maybe with a different background, or you would want to use it in your social media post or website, anywhere, right? So in today's video, you're going to learn how to remove background from your picture in just one click. Okay, it's that easy. And you're also going to learn how to adjust it once you have done that. And finally, you would also learn how to change the background to something that you like. So let me take you there. I'm going to do this using Canva because Canva is my go-to design tool, and it's the fastest way to do things like this than outsourcing it to someone, paying, losing money, losing time, or you yourself doing it on Photoshop or giving it to somebody who knows Photoshop, right? So Canva is the best place. It's just one click and you can do it like that. Okay, let me show it to you. Alright, here we are. This is Canva. So all you have to do is go to create a design, and under create a design, choose a canvas. I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080. Okay, now upload a good high resolution image of yours. So I have already uploaded few. It's easy to upload. Just click on upload and upload it, or click and drag the image over the canvas. It will be done. So I'm going to choose one of these images. Let's say this one. Okay, so all you have to do to remove the background in Canva is click on edit image and click on background remover. It will take a few seconds, maybe 4 to 5 seconds, and it's gone just like that. You see that? So easy. If you have to outsource this to anybody, it's going to cost you money, of course, and it's also going to cost you time, right? This is instant, one click. And if you want to adjust it, right, there are a couple of options here. You can erase. If there is a small portion of the chair which has come up here, I can choose this erase option and I can erase it like that. I can do that. I'm not going to do it. If you want to do it, you can do it, but I am for uncomplicated designing. I do not complicate designs at all. Okay, Canva does a good job of cutting it off the way it is, and I'm happy with the way it is. The only thing I might do is add a glow to it, which I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. Okay, so this is how you adjust. You can use the erase option, or you can use the restore option. Restore is if something is, let's say my finger is cut off, I can get it back. Okay, you will hardly use this because Canva usually does a good job at it. So I'm going to keep it like this, hit done. Now I'm going to add a background to this. Okay, it's very easy in Canva. Canva has their own stock images for free, so look for a nice background. Let's say I look for blackboard. I like blackboards. Maybe this, replace, set image as background, and I want to adjust this so that it blends with the image. So all I'll do is go to edit image again and go to adjust, increase the brightness a little bit like that, maybe a little bit of contrast, color, little bit, not this, clarity, vibrance, no, fade is to make it blend. See, right, little bit more. Yeah, so this can be my thumbnail. I can add some text. Right, so that's about it. Now if I want to add a glow, you might have seen a lot of people adding glows around it, like white or orange or whatever color it is. It's very easy in Canva. You just click on it, go to edit image, go to glow over here, left click on it, right, and click on adjust, and now you'll see all these options over here. I usually keep it black so that it blends with the background if it's a darker background. If I want to use white is something I've seen a lot of people using. So what you have to do is left click on this, choose white. Okay, you see that white glow now. Now you can adjust this glow. Usually what people are doing is this. They'll increase the transparency, and do this. Reduce the blur and increase the size of it little by little, like that. So that's how that gets done. Okay, so this is how you remove your background from your image. It's very simple. You saw how to do it. The only requirement to do this in Canva is you will need to have a pro account. If you don't have a pro account, if you have a free account, then you will not be able to use it. I'll show you the option. You see this crown over here? That means it's available only in pro. So I'm going to give you a couple of options here. One is there are 5 different ways you can get Pro for free. I have a video on it. It's in the description. Please check it out, or maybe somewhere here, the link. Or what you can do is, there is a 30-day Canva Pro trial. I have a special link which is also in the description. You can use that for 30 days. And if you like it, go ahead and continue the subscription. If you do not like it, you can get back to Pro. It's completely up to you. Okay, but Pro is something good. You can try that out and you'll be able to do things like this. If you are an entrepreneur and if you want designs to be done faster, then this is the way. Alright, that's about it. This is Santosh here from Design Clans. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you got a lot of value out of this. If you want me to continue creating videos like this, then hit the like button and subscribe. That will mean a lot to me and also motivate me to do more. Okay, and please check the description below. There are a lot of useful links over there. There are links on how to get Canva Pro for free, 5 different ways to do it. Check that out. And also there is another link where you can sign up to Canva Pro and use it for 30 days for free as well as a trial. And after that you can get back to free if you don't like Canva Pro. If you want to continue using it, then go ahead and do it. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye.